Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Fidelity bond online. Start by gathering employer details, employee role, desired coverage limit, and valid ID to speed the process. Visit a bonded insurer or online bonding portal, compare quotes, and select coverage terms that match risks. Complete the online form, upload necessary documents, and choose secure payment to finalize the bond quickly and confidently. Decide on a coverage limit that reflects the maximum potential loss for the position in question. Evaluate deductible amounts versus premium savings to find sensible balance for your budget. Check policy definitions for covered acts like employee dishonesty, forgery, or computer fraud so there are no surprises. If contractors or vendors interact with assets, verify whether they need their own bond or you can extend coverage in your policy. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical how-to videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, ideal for setting timers, reminders, and hands-free checks while you work on applications. It's compact and affordable, and it keeps your workflow moving. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When completing the online application, enter the legal business name, tax ID, and exact address to prevent processing errors. Describe the employee's duties precisely and note any internal controls like audits or access limits. Upload identification and business documents in common formats such as PDF or JPEG and double-check file legibility. Review all answers before submission to avoid back and forth. Then submit payment to activate the bonding process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.